Guys, this K-Girl Gaming, and I'm trying to see if this app's gonna work. It's called the GPS joystick fake GPS location. So I think it's for Pokemon Go. So I guess a joystick and I have to move around. Let's see if it works. Use the hacks to play Pokemon Go without moving. You have to download the joystick app. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Set up. Wait, is it on? Oh, it's on, I think. Okay, guys, we're gonna go on Pokemon Go. Let's see if it's gonna work. This is nice. Let's see if it works, guys. And if it does, I'll show you exactly where I got that. And how I got it. I'll show you what I typed in. Hey, man, let's do this. Does it work? On that. Where do we want to go? Let's see. Let's see. Let's make sure. Exit out. And why is it saying it's failed to detect my location? I got location now. Okay. That's nice. Okay, guys, so I can say the app does work. I'm moving like I'm supposed to. Maybe not exactly the right way, but I do move. And that's cool that I can move. And you can go to anywhere you want. And let's try out run now. Let's run. That's nice. Let's see if we can run back. Okay, and that's regular right here. That's walking. But I think I'm mostly going to use probably this one. I'm not going to use this one most of the time. The one when you run. It just looks cool. Well guys, I think that's it for this video. This game, then you have to put this stuff. But this is pretty cool. I like this game. So make sure you download the app. I'm about to show you where I got it. Let's cancel that for a minute. Let's go to the App Store. This is an app for Androids. And go on, search up joystick app for Pokemon Go. Push search button. Then you can see this one, the second one right here. It says GPS joystick fake GPS location. It does work. This is what this is. And it's for Pokemon Go. Gives you fake locations and walk you there. Or run. Most people probably use run. So, hope you like this video. Like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. And hope you keep watching for more hacks and more videos here to come. Bye, and keep watching for more. Guys, remember, if you don't want that thing on your screen all the time when you're off Pokemon Go, make sure you go to this and push hide joystick. Okay, make sure you push hide joystick and it won't be there. Okay, make sure you like the video for more hacks. That's how you pop back up. Bye.